Let's take a look at this problem here. Sarah measures the depth of water in her fish tank at the end of each day. Sounds like Sarah needs to get a life. Measurements are shown. So we got this table right here, day 1, day 2, day 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the water depth appears to be dropping. So one of the first things that I notice, if I have a multiple choice problem like this, if I know that this is decreasing while this is increasing, we're going to end up having a negative slope. So I would almost immediately be able to cancel out A because it's a positive slope here. So it's not going to be A. And C also has a positive slope of 1/2. So it's not going to be C. That leaves me with B and D giving me a 50-50 shot at getting this question right. So I just got to figure out what is the slope. Well, it's clearly going to be negative 1/2 because these match. So let's just double check that. We're going down 0.5 or 5/10, also down 1/2, add 1. So we're going to take our change in Y over our change in X. So that's negative 0.5 over 1, which is negative 0.5 or negative 1/2. So we do have the correct slope in B. We also have the correct slope in D, but we've got to figure out, is the y-intercept 18 or is it 18.5? So one thing we should know by now about a y-intercept, let's think about it on a graph. If I were to draw an x and a y-axis, any dot that falls on the y-axis, one thing we know about it is that the x value has to be 0 because these are our x numbers. If that's 4, that's 3, that's 2, that's 1. When we're on the y-axis, x is 0. Okay, so I look over here and I just look for 0. They didn't give it to me. So what do I do in a situation like this? We work backwards. If we're going down 5/10 every time and go up 1 every time, we just work backwards. Instead, we're going to say, instead of +1, we're going to say -1, which is going to take me to 0. And then instead of subtracting 0.5, I need to add 0.5 from 18, and that's going to take me to 18.5. So I'm going to put 18.5 down, and whenever x is 0, the y value is your y-intercept. So which of these two answers has the correct y-intercept? D would be the correct answer for this problem. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.